Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix lag on CapCut PC. First of all, open CapCut app in your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page of CapCut app. Now, click on menu option at the top left corner of your screen and inside it select settings. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. Inside it, you have to change some settings in order to reduce lag in your CapCut app. So, first go to cache size option at the bottom and click on this delete button to clear all the cache from your CapCut app. Then, navigate to edit section and here you have to change frame rates of your project. Make sure it is selected to 24 frames per second instead of 30 frames per second. After that, go to Performance tab and make sure to check mark this option for your smooth and fast edit. Once you change all the settings, now click on Save button option and you are done. Now, if you will edit any project in your CapCut app, you will not see any lag in your project. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.